Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today was an unplanned setup for a ride to Ooty. So not too much of luggage, just a tank bag and a backpack. Kind of a short ride from Bangalore. The time is 12:43. So let's roll. So I've traveled to Ooty several times before, but this will be the first time on two wheels. Yeah, and I got my held gloves back from Biking Spirit. It was sent back for warranty. A big thumbs up to Biking Spirit for getting it done for me. So I just remembered that my pollution check certificate or emission certificate, whatever they call it in different places, has lapsed. So that is done. So after quite some zigzagging through traffic, I'm theoretically out of Bangalore city. Practically the traffic hasn't disappeared. It's gonna be there until Mysore. Basically, the Bangalore-Mysore highway doesn't feel like a highway anymore. It's like developed so much that you can find towns, villages coming up one after the other until we reach Mysore. And yeah, this is the official ride with Sena 10C Pro. I'll be using more of this footage compared to this here. We'll be using this as well. I have no idea what time we'll reach. Where am I going to reach today? I have no bookings or reservations for my stay tonight. So basically it's all on the go. I did make a few plans to ride to multiple places. It was all on paper, it was all on the laptop, it was all on Google Maps. And finally I'm headed to Kunur or Ooty, wherever I feel like staying, which was never on my mind. I thought it's been quite some time. I had no plans of leaving today morning as well, so I had 2-3 places in mind that I could reach by sunset or before night. So out of that, one of the places was this. Yay, and there's a train headed towards Bangalore. Mix of colors. I don't know, there's blue and there's cream and brown. I just hope I make it to the border crossing in time. I don't get any trouble. I'm not held back before entering into Tamil Nadu there. The forest check post closes at 6, I think so. It's 3:15 or 3:20 now, and I have about 200 kilometers to do it. Six to 8 kilometers from Mysore, and there's no sign of any downpour here. No rain. Doesn't look like it's raining ahead of me now. Towards Gundalpet. We're about 115 kilometers away from Ooty. We should be there pretty much on time at the checkpost. So guys, we are into Bandipur forest. The Sena was charging and it was inside the bag and I had to get it out, so I had to do all this while riding since we're not allowed to stop, and once we are caught stopping here we'll be fined. So that's one bad thing that happened just now. I had to mount the Sena, plug it up without looking at it directly, and just by looking at the mirror I had to do all this. I don't know how much I've spoiled with it. Recently, about a week, 10 days ago, there was this viral video of a tiger attacking a motorist. Not on this part actually. That forest is part of this. It's a boundary. It's towards Kerala, the other side, that is towards Sultan Bathery. There is this place called Muttanga Forest. You have to be very careful while driving here. So here we are at the border. Visit again Karnataka state. And once we cross that bridge, which you can't see right now, a lot of traffic, we'll be entering Tamil Nadu. Territory of Tamil Nadu, Massinagudi police station limit starts. There's no water. Hello, so a fee of 30 rupees has been collected at the entrance. I don't know for what. He gave me a ticket and I had to pay. Okay, that's simple. I think I'm crossing at a very good, nice time. The sun is setting. It's not raining. So all this is part of that same tiger which was going around. Hope they're not hungry. I don't want to be their dinner for tonight. But seriously, that video was something. It's kind of a very rare footage that you get. You were so lucky to capture that and be alive. A tiger attacking you and you have that on your phone. It's not getting out of my head actually. At the time I saw the painting of a tiger there. I need to think of something else now. Look at this. Just look at this. Why doesn't the ecosystem work fine and tiger has them for a meal, man? Why attack me or any of the two-wheeler? We are at Mudumalai. This is Mudumalai forest. So Ooty, Kunur and Coimbatore are 120 kilometers from here. This is kind of the old route to Ooty. The frequency of vehicles is very little in this road, by the way. So, it feels all spooky now. Wow. You can feel the chills now as I'm nearing Ooty. Look at that mist, huh? Look at that. Wow. Heading straight into the clouds. Wow. What a color, man. What a color. So finally I made up my mind to stay at Zostel. No. Hope they have vacancies since I haven't made a reservation. I did check online. They had a lot of vacancies since it's a weekday and all. So I thought I might just take a chance. I was not sure that I'll reach Ooty or I might stay back somewhere else and all. So let's see, let's head there. It's about 15 to 18 minutes. That's what Google Maps says. So Zostel, Ooty, here I come. Zostel should be right around this corner. Yes, there it is.